Hey traders from around the world, holla at your boy. It's Jeremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic, and I do hope you enjoyed your nice long weekend with your friends and family. The market was closed last Friday. Today is Monday. Just giving you an update on the markets. This is the SPY, which is the ETF that tracks the Standard & Poor's 500, the one you hear about on the news all the time. And as of right now, here's my analysis this morning. And let me move my screen over a little bit. Something is going on here. There we go. Just trying to fit it in. Perfect. Awesome. Great. So on the SPY, here's what we got. I've been tracking for the last few days, weeks, months, this little wave right here, which I find there's a very, very uncanny similarities between October, December run up and this one that we're experiencing now. And really what I mentioned was on today, this morning, my thoughts on the day. SPY gaps up and trades down, which happened similar to the 11-11 candle. So the 11-11-15 candle is that one right there where we gapped up and traded down. I do not think we break 205.46 this week. If we do, great chance of continued bullish sentiment for a while. So 205.46, that's kind of my line in the sand. Did trigger in a bearish swing trade on the SPY at the open. So 203.03, above that's the limit sell. And really the reason that is because it's a tweezer top on the weekly chart. First time since 1997 that has happened. So you got to get in bearish at least there to try it. Almost. To see if it works. But you did get some confirmation. I mean, you have the tweezer top at a resistance and the risk reward is there. That's pretty much about it. So we'll see if it plays out. I don't know. But this could just end up being a pennant pattern. And again, if we break above here, continued bullish sentiment for a while. Stop listening to the doomsday sayers. If the market's going to go up, the market's going to go up. Don't worry about what they say. So that's what the SPY is doing at this exact moment in time. So we have two bullish swing trades out there. SHOP, Shopify, which triggered in here, stop there, target up there, and GILD. So here's GILD, and it has a nice upper shadow today on GILD. Had a pretty good, decent bullish gap on the hourly chart. So I'm going to leave GILD alone for just a little bit. Here's the exponential moving averages. So you're above those. I'll give that about 2 or 3 weeks. So hopefully you reach target 1 and then target 2. And if it doesn't, I'll just pull the cord. If I get stopped out on GILD, it will be a small loss on both accords. The bearish trades that we have are Eli Lilly. So limit sell at Eli Lilly pretty much at 70.63, which is right about where it closed today, with a stop at 73.10, and then SPY that I just mentioned. So those are the 4 directional swing trades that we got, and the non-directional is American Airlines. American Airlines. Ticker symbol 4445, bear call spread, April 10-cent limit. That's it. Not a lot of trades out there because it's a little bit of a tricky spot to go bullish and or go bearish in the markets. It's going to be interesting to see exactly what happens. Let's add a P to this ticker and get Apple. Here's ticker symbol AAPL. Still being patient on Apple, ladies and gentlemen. My good friend Ray Rue had a April week 2 put sale. Stan J has a 105 covered call. So that's the one expiring this Friday. So at this exact moment in time, Apple right now is battling really nicely the 100 simple moving average. So there's the 100 simple. I don't know what it's going to do exactly. This is a retest gap, so if it retests a little bit and bounces, that makes a lot of sense. If it closes above 107.80, I personally would be just a tad more bullish than bearish. Amazon, not doing that much today. Amazon just kind of hanging out. I had a bearish swing trade on Amazon, never triggered bearish with a close of the end of day. That's what EOD stands for, end of day. And I probably won't trade it bullish. I have no idea what Amazon's doing. I don't have any trade on it. I have no clue. Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX, up about 3% today. My buddy Eric B's got a bear call spread. I'm also looking at a put sale down here, another one, and another one. We've had a few put sales on Netflix in the last few weeks. Earnings season is approaching, though. Man, I'm pretty pumped about that. Just a few weeks away, and earnings season is already here again. Seems just like yesterday that it was happening. Big shout out to my boy Bob. Gave him a shout out as well. But on X, he did another put sale at $15, expiring this Friday. Doesn't mind owning shares of United States Steel, so it'll be interesting to see exactly if and how that plays out. But I want to give another shout out. I have a specific trader who I text a lot. He's a private coaching student of mine, and he just beat my all-time record for R's. So this gentle trader person has over 42 Rs right now locked in for the month of March. My personal record ever since I started keeping count is 37 and a half. So 42 Rs for the month of March. Unbelievable, outstanding, and fantastic. And another trading friend of mine, Derek up in Kentucky. Derek, since I'm talking about X, I know he trades this particular stock a lot, has a very simple and easy strategy that he uses on ticker symbol X. He's up over 20 Rs for the month of March in his swing trade. So Derek, great job. Great job, traders who are out there and who are just absolutely rocking it. Beautiful. I love it. For those of you who are maybe not just absolutely destroying it, April, ladies and gentlemen, is right around the corner. Every day, every week, every month is another opportunity in the markets. Let's talk about an opportunity that I just totally whiffed on today. I wish I had a mulligan. VRX. VRX was a bearish day trade that Timmy called out in the morning day trading room. I just missed it. Simple as that. It really was a textbook Jeremy Newsom 101 type of setup. I just felt like it was a little too extended. Reason I say it's a little too extended, well, VRX was at $70, I don't know, a few days ago. And now it's at 28. So yeah, it's a little too far away from the average price range. So I did not take VRX today, but some people did. Here's the 5-minute chart. And here's how it should have been played. I mean, 5-minute, gap down, nice small white candle, boom, boom, there's your 2 Rs, and I just whiffed. Total whiff, didn't trade, didn't take any day trade today at all on VRX, almost took GameStop, GME, came a few pennies and a few seconds away from getting triggered and bearish and would have lost a nice healthy R, but did not because of proper entries. Man, entries are what it's all about sometimes in the day trading game. Speaking of GameStop. So there is GameStop. Nice little move today. Here's another stock that had a great gap. Ticker symbol CALM. Eric and... I'm sorry, not Eric. Michael. Michael got a chance to trade CALM for a few Rs, or 0.5 R, I think, this morning. Has a nice wide bid-ask spread, but it was a very nice bullish retest gap. I mentioned it needs to open above 53. It opened right at 53, and here's how you would have played it on the 5-minute chart. So this was, again, a nice little bullish gap this morning. I did not play this one again. I did not play anything today in the day trading world, but there it was right there. Boom, boom, high of the day. Take a little bit of profit off there, and really just a nice, 1R trade, nothing too insane. Here's TWX. Oops, sorry. We hop over here to TWX, which is Time Warner. Time Warner had a nice little move as well. Here is the daily chart, and Michael also did well on this one. So you had a nice little black candle, and it gapped up off the moving averages. Here's your 5-minute chart, and just kind of zooming in here, you can see a few buying locations off the moving average as Time Warner just kind of slowly creeped higher. So didn't do a lot of trades today, but watched a lot of other traders in the morning room make some killer profits. I'm proud of you boys and girls who are doing it. Keep it up. Trade your plan, mitigate your risk, and remember, in trading, less is always more, my friends. I will see you Wednesday. And until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade. See ya.